Yes, what is it that you want?
Dad, please can I go on a school trip?
Just tell your teacher that I said you can go. Okay, there we go.
But Dad, please can you write me a no objection letter?
Really? Alright. Right. Today we are going to write a no objection letter. Let's jump into it. So to begin your no objection letter for school, this is how we're going to go about it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to address it to the principal or the teacher or whomever you need to address it to. If there's one specific person that is handling the school trip, perhaps, maybe address it to that person. We're going to go now and we are going to add the school name. And you also need to add the school address and then the date of which you are writing the letter. So it would be current date. And you are now going to add in a subject. And your subject over here simply is going to be no objection letter for school trip tour. And you can then add a name of your child or the student in question over here. You can also remove the trip, tour, whatever the case may be. You'll need to just add in your own information. The next part is the body. And here we're going to go start it out with respected sir or madam, or dear principal, dear teacher, whomever you are addressing this letter to. It should be the same name that is up over here at the top. Okay, so once you have started with the body of the text, we're going to add in the main part. So it says I, and you're going to add in your name, parent or guardian, whichever fits, of your child's name in your child's class or a section, whatever the case may be in your situation, and then hereby inform you that I have no objection to sending your child's name to the location of the trip on the date that the trip will be occurring for the school organized trip or tour, whichever one it is. And you're going to end off simply by saying, in case of any queries, you may contact me at. You're going to add a contact number here. Okay, you can change this slightly, but this is the gist, and you are going to end it off, say regards, your name, and you can send this via email, and you'll use your subject over here as your subject in your email, and then you are done with your no objection letter. Of course, again, you can customize this to suit your own specific needs. I hope this was helpful.